Sovereign citizens, the nature of claims, liens, and the game of priority. 1. The first rule of liens. In commerce, possession is an ownership, priority is. Whoever files first and properly claims an interest becomes the secured party. Everyone else, no matter how loud, stands in line. The rule is simple, almost childlike: call dibs first, and the law will back you up. So what does that actually mean? It means the first adult to raise their hand gets to keep the toy. Footnote: priority in commercial law is determined by time-stamped filing and perfected notice of claim. 2. Claim versus lien. A claim is a statement of right, a lien is the muscle behind it. The claim says, I own this. The lien says, try me. Without the lien, a claim is polite conversation. With it, it's enforceable. The two together form the backbone of lawful self-protection in commerce. So what does that actually mean? It means a lien is what makes a claim stop being wishful thinking. Footnote: a claim establishes interest, a lien secures it, granting the claimant enforcement authority. 3. Assigning value to the claim. Attaching a dollar value to a lien transforms it from concept to contract. The number defines the scope of potential recovery and prevents opponents from wiggling out through ambiguity. Whether it's 25 million or 47 billion, the figure itself is symbolic, a declaration of authority, not greed. So what does that actually mean? It means sometimes a big number isn't about money, it's about making the other side flinch. Footnote: declared valuation in liens establishes legal notice of demand and prevents interpretive minimization by opposing parties. 4. The art of filing without fighting. A lien doesn't need confrontation to be effective. It only needs to exist, to be documented, and to be served. A properly recorded claim operates like a silent alarm, visible to those who understand it, harmless to those who don't. True power in commerce is quiet, paper-bound, and perfectly polite. So what does that actually mean? It means you can win a war without raising your voice, or leaving your desk. Footnote: proper filing and service of liens create lawful control through notice, not confrontation. 5. The game of priority. The entire system of debt and ownership is a queue, everyone waiting to be paid. The only difference between the creditor and the debtor is the order of their claim. Filing first makes one the banker, filing last makes one the borrower. The lesson writes itself: don't wait for permission to assert what's already yours. So what does that actually mean? It means if you're not the first in line, you're probably working for the person who is. Footnote: priority in lien law determines both recovery rights and the power hierarchy among creditors.